Hi there guys, today we'll be doing a video and a demo of this 90s Henry. This was my mum and dad's original hoover. Doesn't have the original motor but has one that sounds exactly the same. This model was from 1993. Doesn't have its original cable, that's been replaced billions of times. It has its original switch, original PTO socket, original rewinder, original base, original wheels, and I think that's about it. Now this is my work vac, still one in the collection. Has its original sticker on there. It's my work vac. It's quite grubby, so please excuse me. It's really dirty in there, unlike the 90s, the other 95 Henry I just done a video of. Take the motor unit off. It's a bit dirty under there, not that dirty because I used to use a bag in it. Got an old metal rim filter. This is not original. I don't know what happened to the original filter. I think that broke years ago. I ain't got a bag in this one because the other one was filled up quite a lot and stank, so I just hold on to the bag in there at the moment. But yeah, it's a hoover. Not meant to be looked after. Anyway, we'll just plug this little bad boy in and we'll give him a test run. Pull out some of the cable. That non-original plug, obviously, just an old white one, grubby white one. Put that on. Connect up a hose. This one I just have laying around that I use on most of my backs. I ain't got a hose on that. But there you go. The thing's taped on there because it's broken. But anyway, let's give this a quick go over. It's quite powerful for its age. Now let's just move the chair back like that. It's quite a good little hoover. Very powerful. Well, it's not as powerful as a 90s other Henry, but it's quite powerful for how old it is. Just put the tubes up here. Just unplug it. Just see how much dirt we've picked up. Yeah. Probably not a lot. Probably even anything. Wow, it's actually picked up quite a lot of dirt. Even despite I just hoovered with another hoover. But wow. There. Wow. Look at that. Quite not a lot. Not filled up the container on anything, but yep, there's that Henry. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.